Have you ever missed an important notification on your Samsung Galaxy phone? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Repeat Notification Alerts feature. This handy option will help you never miss important messages or notifications again, as your phone will alert you again when you have unread messages. Below, we will go through simple steps to activate this feature. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a bit, and when you see the notifications option, tap on it. When you are on the notifications settings page, tap on the advanced settings option. Then scroll down and you will see the repeat notification alerts option. Tap it to open the settings for this feature. Once the option opens, you will see a switch that you can activate. Simply slide it to the right to enable repeat alerts. Now tap on the Apps to Repeat Alerts option to select the apps for which you want to enable repeat notifications. You will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Choose the ones you want to enable for this feature so your phone will send repeat alerts only for the selected apps. I will choose Instagram and Messages. When you finish your selection, just go back to the previous screen. The next step is to set how often you want the alerts to repeat. So tap on the repeat interval option and you can choose intervals such as 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. I will choose 10 minutes. After you make your selection, your phone will automatically send repeat alerts according to the set interval for the apps you selected. And this would also be the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon in my new video, and thank you so much for watching.